Hi Shirley, my name is Janice Miller, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You might be asking why making this video for business owners. We already found out a while ago that a lot of small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone, they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free templates of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still asking me, "Oh Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back or we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to use it by your own, by all means that's okay. This is free education. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition is content, backlinks, and citation. As I see your website here, it looks so great that it has a click to call button directly, and there is not much of content at all here because in Google like to see at least 1500 words to 2000 words, and also depend on your competition too. Google like information, so your content need the right keywords which able to be searched in Google when people looking for your service at your area. And as I see your photos here, there is no the right keywords in it too. All the photos are considered to be highly recommended to put in the right keywords, so they're able to be searched in Google for your website. And I'm using the keyword search which is roofers in Trenton, New Jersey. This is the Google guarantee. And here will be the Google Map tab that we call it as citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pad here, which is extremely important. Look for local business, since this can generate huge amounts of revenue, especially this top one here. You will receive a lot of calls coming in. So citations will be include like directories in like Yelp, NG, Expertise, BBB, and there are thousands of it. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. And the below part here, this is called as a organic listing. You have to be on top 3 here, but of course do not include the directories website. So for your top 1 competitors will be this Trenton Roofing and Siding. So I'm using this Array program here to show you a simple analytic of your website. So UR is the power of your website, and DR is the trust of your website in Google. So both of these numbers have to be in between 30 to 40. Is considered a strong site. You have to boost the number so that Google can trust you more. As for your backlinks, that you have 792 and your referring domains is 100. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. This link can act like endorsement of your website from others, which Google use to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth nothing relevant to your industry. Local website will work best. As for your organic keywords is 406 and your monthly traffic is 114. And as I see that for your competitors here, this is their analytics. They have 1001 backlinks and their referring domains is 104. They have lesser keywords than you, but their monthly traffic is higher than you. So as for the referring domains, you can go after for your competitors for their backlinks here, which is you need to choose the high DR, which is like 46, 27. You can copy their backlinks to give more power on your site. And also for the organic keywords, you can also copy from your competitors. Especially you need the right keywords like your service, the service that you're providing, and the location that you're providing. So just like example, Trenton Roofing, This is the volume search per month, 700, and Trenton Roofing and Siding 20. So these are the volume search that you might be missing out. And this is the position of the keywords. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. As I said, you also can use it by your own too. Thank you. Have a great day.